Welcome to the vibrant world of Mexican flavors.
Culinary, Cartography, D8, Mexico.
Welcome to Mexico City, where every sunrise uncovers layers of history, from Aztec temples to the Aquiles.
The soul of a Mexican morning.
Enter the bohemian heart of Mexico City, Coyoacán, where the place of coyotes preserves its colonial charm, Tinga.
The bohemian crunch of Coyoacán.
Welcome to the electric nights of Mexico City, where the air is thick with steam and the golden essence of the land is served herprin.
Elote, the messy king of the street.
Acereces Buconesaucer Pambazos, the crimson king of CDMX street food, and
Journey to Querétaro, a colonial treasure heart, where the simple corn tortilla is transformed into a thick gorditas.
Mexico's golden pockets.
Welcome to the Yucatán, where the legacy of the Maya is carved in stone and slow-cooked beneath the earth in the legendary Cochinita Pibil.
Cochinita Pibil, buried treasure from the Maya.
The perfect taco, the citrus, the earthiness, and that crunch.
Our journey concludes in the glowing heart of Mexico City, where the cold night air is warmed by a churros.
The sweet crunch of a Mexican night. Quesadilla. Woo! The golden melt of blue corn.
Travel to the shores of Baja California, where the Pacific Ocean meets the citrus groves to create the ultimate expression of freshness, ceviche.
Ceviche puncher. The taste of the Pacific breeze.
Welcome to Jalisco, the birthplace of Birria, an ancient stew that traveled from traditional clay pots to global stardom, one dip taco at a time.
Birria, the ultimate viral dip.
barbacoa, the earth's tender secret.
Travel to Michoacán, the land of fire and copper, to Whitnitas.
Carnitas, the golden gift of Michoacán. Chiles en nogada, Mexico's history on a plate.
Travel to Michoacán, the avocado capital of the world, where the ancient Aztec acamol.
Guacamole, the green gold of Michoacán.
Journey to Puebla, the city of angels, to discover mole poblano, a sacred symphony of over 30 ingredients.
Mole poblano, a taste of history.
Welcome to Mexico City, where every sunrise uncovers layers of history, from Aztec temples to the Aquiles.
The soul of a Mexican morning.
Journey to Oaxaca, the soul of Mexican flavor, where the ancient art of nixtamalization is wrapped. Tamales.
A gift from the corn gods. Pozole rojo, the sacred taste of Mexico. And
Welcome to Guanajuato, a labyrinth of silver and color, where the mines.
Enchiladas mineras, the fuel of the silver mines.
Welcome to the Yucatán, where the legacy of the Maya is carved in stone and slow-cooked beneath the earth in the legendary Cochinita Pibil.
Cochinita Pibil, buried treasure from the Maya.
The perfect taco, the citrus, the earthiness, and that crunch. Our culinary journey continues to the vibrant heart of Mexico. Which city should we map next? Tell me in the comments.
Cartography, D8, Mexico. Thanks for joining us on this culinary journey. Don't forget to subscribe.